Intro 00015. Hey there, welcome to Central Computer. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 or 11 using a USB flash drive. Step by step, super easy. Step 10, 16.040. Alright, first things first, what do you need? A USB flash drive, at least 8 GB. The Windows ISO file, download it from Microsoft's website, and a small tool called Rufus to make the USB bootable. Go to rufus.ie and download the latest version. It's portable, no need to install. Step 20.41.110. Plug your USB into your computer and open Rufus. In the device section, select your USB, then click on select and choose your ISO file. For most modern computers, choose partition scheme, GPT target system, UEFI non-CSM. If your PC is older, go with MBR plus BIOS. Step 3.1.11.140. Under File System, pick NTFS. You can give your USB a name like Windows 11 Boot. Click Start. Rufus will format the USB and create the bootable drive. Give it a few minutes. Step 4.1.41.2.10. Once it's done, restart your computer. Enter BIOS, usually by pressing F2, F10, Del or ESC while booting. Set the boot priority to USB, then save and exit. Your PC will boot into the Windows installer. Step 5.2.11.2.45. Now just follow the instructions. Choose your language. Click Install Now. Enter Product Key or Skip. Select the partition to install Windows on. Be careful here. Choose the correct drive or delete old partitions if needed. After that, Windows will install itself automatically. Just sit back. Outro 2.46.3.10. That's it. You've successfully installed Windows. If this helped you, hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Central Computer for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.